Hello and welcome to the Global Health Summer School application webinar. Please note that the deadline for applications is the 6th of June, just before midnight, and we will not be able to accept any applications after this date.
So our summer school runs from the 5th until the 9th of August and will take place in South Kensington campus. Lunch will be provided and travel costs will be covered. Anyone can apply who is currently in year 13 from state-funded schools only in West London and North West London. We haven't got any grade requirements. All we ask is that you have that you are studying or have an interest in STEM, and you must be 18 years old before the start date. So by the 5th of August, you must be 18 years old. So what will you gain? Throughout the week, we will teach you some interview skills, presentation skills, and professional skills. Your employability will be boosted. You will get the chance to create new connections, and you will also receive a certificate upon completion. So what can you expect throughout the week? You will be working on a project throughout the week. You will hear from colleagues on their inspiring career journeys. We will run a few interactive professional workshops, and there will also be a range of social activities.
So for the projects, you'll be working in groups of 3 or 4. You will also gain support from the project lead on each of these projects, and you will end the week by presenting this in a Dragon's Den style presentation. So the 5 projects that we have that are available are the Climate Cares Project, Patient Safety, Artificial Intelligence, Behavioural Science, and Healthy Aging. We will now hear from each of the project leads on a bit more about what their project will involve.
Hi, I'm Jess from the Climate Care Centre, where we work with partners around the world to better understand and respond to the mental health impacts of climate change. A big topic that we're working on at the moment is climate change education. We would love for you to come and work with us to help respond to the challenge of making sure that the way that climate change is taught in schools can support children and young people to live in uncertain futures and to take control of their futures and take climate action in ways that support their mental health and well-being.
The field of patient safety is concerned with the avoidance of unintended harm from healthcare provision. There's research to suggest that around 1 in 10 patients experienced harm in their care, such as receiving the wrong procedure or having an adverse reaction to medication. Patient safety is a topical issue for the NHS, but it's also a major concern for healthcare systems around the world. We know that patients can play an important role in improving the quality and safety of their care, for example, through raising concerns, asking for a second opinion, or sharing their experiences of care with the view to improving how a service delivers treatment for other patients in the future. If you choose to work with us, we would like to support you to develop your choice of a product or a communications campaign to raise awareness of patient safety challenges and to empower patients to seek out safe, high-quality care. We're looking forward to meeting you over the summer.
I'm Hutana Shrafin, and I'm the lead for AI at the Institute of Global Health Innovation.
And my name is Ahmad Ghani. I am a PhD student working in AI in health.
And this is the project description for the Year 13 Global Health Summer Fellowship at IGHI.
AI has the potential to revolutionize health.
And what we want from you in our group is to scope out the useful technologies and applications of AI, not for just now, but for the next 5 to 10 years.
Hi everybody, my name's Kate. I am a behavioural science researcher here at the Institute of Global Health Innovation, and I'm going to be the project lead for the Behavioural Science project at the summer school. And the reason we've got one of these projects is because we know that lots of people don't choose healthier behaviours even though they might want to, so we try and design solutions that can mean choosing that behaviour is easier for people. And the challenge area that we want you to work on at the summer school is to find a way to make people use antibiotics more correctly. So that might be finishing the course, or it might be just going to your doctor when you really need them and not asking for them if you don't need them. And we want you to design a behavioural science intervention. It might be a poster, it might be a new antibiotics packet that will really encourage people to keep our antibiotics working.
Hello, my name is Alex. I'm a designer at the Helix Centre, and I'm also the lead for the Healthy Aging project. The Healthy Aging Project is all about trying to support older adults to live healthier lives for as long as they can and prevent or reverse any age-related decline in health. It's also part of a bigger Helix project, which is looking at using sensors and wearable technology to support this. And we're really looking forward to meeting all of you and seeing what you come up with on the course.
I'm now going to talk you through the application. So to start off, we would like you to answer one question. So it is, what made you want to apply to the Global Health Summer School? This is 500 words maximum or around 3,000 characters. So please bear this in mind whilst you're writing it. So you could tell us about your interests or hobbies, your future plans or career aspirations, something you've read online, someone you know, a school project, or something else that has motivated you. This question is very open, so feel free to include anything that you would like. We would then like you to rank which project area interests you the most to the least. Please bear in mind that we might not be able to give you your first choice. However, we will try to ensure that everyone gets one of their top 3 options. We then ask you to kind of fill in a form a bit about how confident you feel about certain areas. This is just so that if you do get enrolled into the summer school, we can track your personal development. So this will not impact your application, but it will be a useful tool just to measure this. Finally, we will ask you for your personal information. This is so that we can track if you meet the criteria and to also contact you about the outcome of your application.
Now I will answer any questions you may have. Just to flag again, you need to be 18 years old by the 5th of August in order to attend the summer school. We will only accept applications from those students that are available on all days of the summer school, so from Monday the 5th until Friday the 9th of August. You do not have to be accepted into Imperial College as your university to be able to join the summer school. We will do our best to assign you to your first or second choice project, and you can still apply to our summer school if you have previously joined one before. So we do want to point out that once you have submitted your application, you can no longer make any changes, but do email us on the email address below if there are any issues. Our summer school has no fees and is completely free, and we will reimburse transport and lunch costs. For any more information, you can visit the link in our bio below, where you can find a link to our website and our poster. We wish you all the best with your application, and we can't wait to welcome you at our summer school in August. Bye!